guys, so today we're gonna do mukbang channel.
Yeah.
So today we have
Fish and chips.
we are ready to eat because we are hungry.
So I have a bite, you guys, first.
Have a bite. Okay. So my name is Heidi.
My name is Kaishi.
Sorry that I cough because I cough a lot. I can see you. Ito sa my galing tulog.
Das ist halt mein Ding, you guys can see.
Guys, testing. Don't want to come. Stuck.
Oh, God.
I love this juice actually.
You know what most thing I like? Is that yogurt one or the crackers? And that's one. Like, that is my most favorite one. Oh my. I wanna see.
Don't mind of Kaishi's here.
Yeah, I was sleeping too good. Then my biggest boom cola. What are you gonna do? Do you know this song about bad boys, bad boys? What you gonna do? I'm gonna come for you. That is like my most favorite song, you guys. I told you guys. Bad boys, what you gonna do? I'm gonna come for you. What's your mouth?
Tidang bab adalah simple di kamera.
I'm also going to Wimpy.
Yo, naman.
Then we drink a milkshake, burgers, chips. When we done eating, then we go play. When last time I go to One Piece, you guys, there was like a TV with the camera and there was money keys. Now we have to hit them like with our hands, and then they come with both the tongues, no? Then we hit. Yo, that game was so fun.
Guys,
Yo, that was not crazy.
what?
I'm so terrified.
Guys, mind for the bones.
I feel so terrified.
Mm-hmm.
So cool.
She want to lie. I love how Valen make like this.
Where even is she?
With my daddy.
And Anita.
The man of my hair. Because he is also like that. No? See, I want to make it loose, you guys. It's the bye. Let's go.
Guys, I'm done eating now. But I am gonna eat the fish. Show them the TV, you guys. Like only for 2 years. Of 2 days that TV wasn't on. How much days? Yeah, that's me now. And now you just the remote can now.
Not the same remote, it's the other remote.
But it's like this size. This size.
And it
And there's a mousey. You guys know what a mousey is?
like that, just like that, like this.
Oh, by the TV, that would go like that, and there's a thing under.
Huh?
I'm gonna look at the string. But is your daddy here?
I don't know.
But I keep on making a show, but then you don't make me show. Bad boy. Yo, you guys were supposed to see how my hair was looking last time.
Yep.
I'm gonna tell you guys a secret.
No, don't. You're gonna post it more on. But still, they can hear. You guys, my brother's covering, babe.
So see the tongue our hair, and it was so straightened. Like it was done like this done. Yo, you guys were supposed to see. I do have a video. I just finished Dankie. Bye guys.
She's now gonna go. You guys.
Yeah,
Better. Last bite. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace.